We are staying at an amazing Airbnb which offers fabulous views of the northern lights without having to leave this apartment. How cool is that?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are SuprAash. If you have been following our series, then you might know that we are in Norway, and today is the last video of this series.
We are currently staying in Leknes in the Lofoten Islands, and before this we were in Tromsø. So if you've not seen our previous videos, please do go and check those out as well.
So now, let's take a tour of this beautiful Airbnb.
This is how the Airbnb looks from the outside. You see a butterfly on the entrance, the windows, which gives you a good view to keep an eye on the sky when the northern lights are visible.
As soon as you enter this Airbnb, you can see there is a living area with a nice big sofa around here, and just as we go little up front, you can see that there is even like a office table and office chair if you want to sit here and work. I don't know why would you do that, it's such an amazing place, but yes, you could do that as well. There's also a lot of games actually we have received here, so if you want to sit and just play games, enjoy the northern lights from the windows, it's a perfect place. But you can also see the place itself is quite very cozy, lots of lights around here and lots of windows as well if you want to just peek out a bit to see if there are some northern lights. And if you wish to just relax, there's a nice chair as well. And then just next to the living area, there's also a fully equipped kitchen. So if you wish to cook, I think everything is there here: fridge, dishwasher, oven, microwave, and all the utensils. So it's a fully equipped kitchen. And at the kitchen, there is also a breakfast counter. And so if you want to have your breakfast here, you have a place here. You also have near sofa as well where you can sit and eat. And right in the living area, there's also a map, and you can see pins here everywhere. So you can also see people who have visited or stayed in this Airbnb from so many different countries around here. And we can also see there are some people from India as well, from different cities.
So after having a look at the living room, let's now have a look at the bedroom and the bathroom. So we start with the bedroom. So when we entered, if you went to the right, you had the living room, and if you go to the left through this door, you have the bedroom. You see that the bedroom is quite spacious and well lit as well, with all the lights turned on. You have space on both sides of the bed, and it's a very comfortable bed. And another important and interesting thing for all the ladies watching this, I think they're gonna like it more than the guys, but you never know, even guys can like it. So you do have a walk-in closet. So right opposite the entrance, you have the door to the bathroom.
I think bathroom is also quite spacious.
It's not too big, it's not too small, I think it's the right size.
And you know what is the amazing thing? The day we came, we saw the northern lights just from our Airbnb, and it was going on for hours and hours and hours. We took multiple pictures, videos and everything, and we were so glad that we could stay and we could see northern lights right from here.
We did not have to go anywhere to witness the spectacular show. They have a nice patio right around the apartment, which they've told us that we can use whenever we want. The host is extremely kind and generous, and he's always helpful with his tips, his recommendations, and great communication. Right next to the patio, they also have an indoor space which they've built. It's actually part of the main house where the owner lives, but he has told us that we can use it if we would like to, so it's a shared space. It does not have any heating, but it would still protect you from the cold winds and things like that.
So basically you can sit there and watch the northern lights.
As we mentioned, there's also this patio over here where you can come and have a look at the sky on clear nights to see if the northern lights are visible or not. It's a very nice place. You can set your tripod, you can do whatever you want. And the covered place we were speaking about before is in here. It's not heated, but we were welcome to come and sit there and have a look at the sky. You see, from here we get an unobstructed view. There's not a lot of light pollution over here, so you get good views of the northern lights when the sky is clear. Hopefully this evening the sky will be clear again and we get to see some more northern lights. There is also parking which is included, so if you do hire a car over here, you are allowed to park right in front of the apartment.
Right now we can see northern lights behind us, right where we are staying at our Airbnb.
How cool is that? You don't need to go anywhere just to see the northern lights. Stay at home, stay warm, and then just as soon as the northern lights are out, put on a jacket, come outside, grab your phone or your camera, take some amazing pictures and enjoy the show.
So if you plan to chase northern lights and you're planning to come to Lofoten, I think this is the right place to stay, and the host is also very kind and very nice as well.
So how did you find this series on Norway? And how did you find this Airbnb tour?
Would you like to stay in such an Airbnb where you could see the northern lights right from your apartment?
Do let us know in the comments down below. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share,
Because sharing is caring.
and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done so. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.